Good morning, Mita. How are you? Okay, very good. I hope you all are fit, fine, and safe at your homes. Okay, Beta. So, in our previous session, we did Let's Try 1. Okay, so today we will be doing Let's Try 2. Okay, we are doing Chapter 3 Hercules. Remember Chapter 3 Hercules? Yes. Okay, so we are doing chapter 3 Hercules, and the story is about the hero of Greek ancient mythology, who is Hercules. Okay, so we are doing Let's Try to take out your course books, volume 1, page number 34. Take out page number 34, beta. Yes, page 34. Okay. In Let's Try 2, we have to do is arrange these jumbled words to make meaningful sentence. So there are jumbled words given, jumbled sentence given. We have to arrange it to make a meaningful sentence. Okay? Yes. For example, the first one given is A. Was a strong, brave Hercules and man. The first sentence given is beta. Was a strong, brave Hercules and man. Is it clear? Was a strong, brave Hercules and man. So now, who was the strong and brave man? Who was the strong, brave and man in the story? Yes, Hercules. Hercules was a strong and brave man. Hercules was the strong and brave man. Okay, beta? Is it clear? So the first sentence is, was a strong, brave Hercules and man. So this is the jumbled sentence, okay? And we have to arrange in such a way that it brings out meaningful sentence, okay? It brings out a meaningful sentence, okay beta? Clear? So we make the sentence, Hercules was a strong and brave man. Clear? Yes. Okay. So now the next one, B. Forest the way, tree on, he met maidens of the. Forest the way, tree on, he met maidens of the. So here the sentence is talking about what? The sentence is talking about maidens, forest, tree, way. So can we make a sentence out of this jumbled sentence? Carefully listen. This sentence, this jumbled sentence is talking about maidens, tree, maidens, forest, way. So can we make a sentence now? Yes. On the way, he met three maidens of the forest. Listen carefully. Forest the way, tree on, he met maidens of the. So here this jumbled sentence is talking about maidens, forest, tree, maidens, forest and way. So the sentence is going to be, on the way he met three maidens of the forest. Yes, right. So we have to do is in a way that first we should know that what the jumbled sentence is talking about. Then we can try and arrange the sentence in a meaningful way. Is it clear, beta? Always keep in mind that while reading the jumbled sentence, you should always know what are the focusing words in the sentence. With the help of those words, we can make the sentence. Okay? Clear? Okay. Coming to the next sentence. See. The way he writes, tell me. The way he writes, tell me. Now, what is the focus word in the sentence? What is the focus word in the sentence? He writes. He writes is the focus word in the sentence. Now, the way he writes, tell me. So, what will be the sentence here? What will be the sentence, beta? Please think about it. The focusing word is he writes, right? The way he writes. So, it is talking about a way also. Way, right? So, the way he writes, tell me. Okay? So, what will be the sentence now? Tell me the sentence. Right, very good. The sentence will be, tell me the way to he writes. Yes, very good. So, the sentence was, the jumbled sentence was, the way he writes, tell me. So, as I told you, the focus word here is in the sentence, he writes, okay. So, we have to keep the word he write in the mind, and then with the help of that, we can make the sentence. So, in the sentence, the first thing we are looking at is he writes. The sentence is about he writes. The second thing, it is about the way. So, tell me the way to he writes. Okay? Is it clear, beta? Yes. So, the another sentence is, the weaker became weaker, giant ant. Okay? The weaker became weaker, giant ant. So, now what are the focus word in this sentence? What are the focusing words in this sentence? Tell me. The weaker became weaker, giant ant. So, giant is also a focusing word in this sentence. Again, weaker, weaker. So, it is talking about giant. Then, the weakness of the giant, weaker and weaker. So, the giant became weaker and weaker. Is it clear, beta? The giant became weaker and weaker. Clear? The weaker became weaker, giant ant. So, the meaningful sentence will be, the giant became weaker and weaker. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, very good. So, now in your book, if you will look at, let's try 2, there is one more sentence given. Sentence E. Hercules golden apples collected way to Greece. The ant went to his. So, this sentence you have to do by yourself. Then ma'am will tell you is it correct or not. Okay, you have to try to do it by yourself. Understand, beta? The sentence E, you have to do it by yourself only. Okay? Is it clear? So, did you understand these jumbled word and sentence? Right? Arrange these jumbled words to make meaningful sentence. So, you have to do this in your course book. Right, beta? Right. Okay, did you understand this? Clear? Okay, very nice. Okay beta, so write it down in your course book, okay, with the very good handwriting, and write with pencil. Keep that in mind, write neatly with the pencils. And still if you don't understand, you have any doubts, so we will discuss that in the doubt session. Clear beta? Okay, so this is the let's try 2 we did today. Okay, so you have to do this in the course book. Clear? So take care beta, stay safe, stay healthy. Always take care of yourself first and look after your parents, grandparents and your siblings too. Okay? Like a good children. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Stay happy. God bless you. Thank you.